Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing well. Due to COVID-19, you cannot go to school, so the PIPS school system is facilitating you with video lectures so you can easily prepare at your home. So here is the home assignment of class 1. Today we will start a chapter, a computer. In this chapter we will learn about computer. So there are many questions that raise in our mind that what is computer? How can we use it? What are the uses of computer? So we will learn in this chapter. Today our topic is machines, and the task you have to perform is a question. What are machines? You have to write in your notebook and learn. So we will start. What are machines? Machines क्या हैं? So the answer is machines are things made by us. Machines ऐसी चीजें हैं जिन्हें हमने बनाया है. They make our work easier. वो हमारे काम को आसान बनाती हैं. You can see different machines at your home that make our work easier, like washing machine, toaster, scissor, and many more. So here you can see different type of machines. The first one is scissors. So what is the use of scissor? Scissor is used to cut clothes and paper. The second one is toaster. Toaster is used to make the bread crisp and brown. It is also a machine. And the third one is refrigerator. Refrigerator is used for cooling purpose. The fourth one is car. Car is used to travel from one place to another. And the last one is washing machine. Washing machine is used to wash clothes. So here is the day 1 assessment. I hope you will understand easily and learn it. Thank you.